So now I have 4.
Very nice. Hare Krishna Vrinda. Hare Krishna Meet. Hare Krishna Bala Vrinda. Hare
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Annapurna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, got you. Hare Krishna Mataji, that's the best abhi.
Hare Krishna Vaishnavi. Dandavad Pranam. Nice to hear your voice.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Mayeda.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Kanvik. Nice to see you. Hare Krishna baby.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Can you wait a second?
You want me to wait a second? Okay. Hare Krishna everybody. Manmai, we'll just start with our chanting. Okay. So is that okay? How does everyone sing?
Dharma Chetre Guru Chetre Sama Mere Yustita Dharma Chetre Guru Chetre.
Very good, Vaishnavi. Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll get to that very soon. Okay. Anjana Mataji will also join and she will teach us the shloka. So let's get started. Okay. Let's start with our prayers. Om Agnya
Pirantasya Ginanjana Shalakaya Chakchuruniltamya Gurave Namaha Krishna Mataji Hare Krishna Chaitanya Namo Bhishtam Sthapitam Bhutale Swayam Padakayam Padantikam
Adamahyam Dadati
Padantikam
Vandeham
Shri Guru Shri
Kamalam
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishnapradaya Bhutale
Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya
Swami
Namaste Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine
Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Varshadharine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Rama Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Rama Rama Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Ram
Hare
Hare Ram Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Hare Rama Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, everybody, for your enthusiastic chanting. Very nice, very beautiful. Okay. So, what till where did we reach? Did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Nimai Pandit, did he get initiation?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then what
Yes,
happened?
Mataji.
Yes. Then what happened? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said he has a disease. The disease, what is the disease?
Love of Krishna.
Awesome. Yes. Yes.
Love of Krishna.
Yes. So after that, what happened? He has a
Krishna.
yes, he has a school, right? So he's a teacher.
Krishna.
So he's a teacher.
He has a Krishna.
Yes. So he's a teacher. So he has a school. He has lots of children to teach. So what happened after he came? Now he's completely transformed. He's so much in ecstasy. Every time he thinks about Krishna, every time he hears the name of Lord Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he started teaching his children everything in connection with Lord Krishna, whatever instruction he is giving. So the children are not understanding what is going on. They are like, what is wrong? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, our teacher, Nimai Pandit teacher, he is now Lord Chaitanya. He said he is not the same as before. So before he used to always go around, he would have debates, he would argue with people, right? But now he's so loving, so caring. He's only talking about Krishna. So what happened? He's become so soft-hearted now. So they decided to go and talk to Lord Chaitanya's Sanskrit guru, who is Gangadasa Pandit. So they went and talked to him. They said, something has happened to Nimai Pandit. He is not the same. Now he doesn't want to argue or he doesn't want to debate anybody anymore. He has lost his Brahmanical edge. Now, can you please talk to him? He's only talking about Krishna, Krishna all the time. So you please talk to him and see what's going on. So this teacher of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gangadas Pandit, he came and talked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he asked him, what has happened to you? You have your children are saying that your students are saying you have lost your Brahmanical edge. What happened? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, no, I am the same Nimai Pandit. What is it? I will still defeat anybody. Let them come. Let them make an argument and I am going to nicely defeat them and I will re-establish that argument again. That's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to do. He used to prove that people, what they're saying is actually right. Okay, first he will say it's completely wrong and again he will go back and he will say, oh, what you said is completely right. So although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said this, later on we all know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself said that debate and logic is far away from the line of devotional service, from the path of bhakti. If we need to get to the path of bhakti, these two are not going to help. Okay. So, but good brahmanas are supposed to be able to prove their point using different arguments, using logic. Okay. So then what happened? So then he said, okay, let's find out who is there. I'm going to debate the first person whom I see. Okay. So I just haven't defeated anyone after I came, but now I will defeat someone. So let me see. And then he got out of the place and he was like, okay, where? Okay, let me find the first person. And when he checked, he went out to the street and he was looking for the first Brahmana. And who came? The brother of Srivas Thakur. Who is Srivas Thakur? I think you all learned yesterday who Srivas Thakur is.
Lord Chaitanya is a disciple or not?
His associate. He is an incarnation of
Narada
Narada Muni. Good job, Madhav. Yes. He is a disciple of, he is an incarnation of Narada Muni. So, Srivas Thakur is one of the Panchatattva also, right? Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivas Thakur. So there is Srivas Thakur. So Srivas Thakur's brother Ramadas Pandit, he was the one who was right there on the street, and he is also an incarnation of Parvata Muni. Okay, Parvata Muni and Narada Muni are great friends, right? But now they are born as brothers here. So he was singing the glories of Krishna. He was so happy in complete ecstasy. Okay, and he was nicely singing a beautiful kirtan. What was the kirtan about? It was about how merciful Krishna is to everyone, how he even gave liberation to the demoness Putana, and he gave Putana the position of his own mother in Goloka Vrindavan, right? Because Putana wanted to kill him, right? Putana wanted to kill him by putting poison in her milk. And that's why she put a poison on her breast, and then she was trying to feed that milk to baby Krishna. But because she approached him in a very loving, sweet way, saying, "You are so dear to me. You're my little loving baby. I love you so much." And so, like that, because she gave so much to Krishna, she fooled Mother Yashoda. And because of that, Krishna decided to give her and for that, so he decided to give her a special reward. So he decided to make her one of his mothers in the spiritual world. So she attained the special position of Vatsalya Rasa in the spiritual world. So Krishna, he is so kind. That was what Ramdas Pandit was singing about how kind he is, how loving he was even to this cruel, demoness, Putana, who came, who actually pretended to be so loving towards, so affectionate towards Krishna. So, but what happens? Yeah, they're saying, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tams tathaiva bhajamyaham. So in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna himself is saying that according to how people approach me, I will reciprocate accordingly. So Putana approached him like a mother, so he is giving her back that position in the spiritual world. So when Lord Chaitanya heard Ramdas Pandit singing like this, he was shaking. He was thinking, "Oh my God, Krishna is so merciful to even this witch, and that came to kill him." And still, okay, even though all her love, he knows that she's now, whatever affection she's showing is not real, but still he blessed her. So, what to speak about the devotees that come to Krishna, even with little bit of sincerity, if we want Krishna's affection, definitely he will reciprocate. He is so merciful to the devotees. So, thinking like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became so ecstatic and he started rolling on the ground in the street. He was rolling and he's like, "Krishna, you're so merciful. Krishna, I am so fallen. I am so fallen. My heart is so hard. Krishna, you are so kind. You even bless Putana, the evil witch." And like this, he's rolling on the ground. And this, all of his students saw. So after some time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came back he got his external senses, and then he took all his students to the school where It is on the side of the Ganga river, right? So he took them to the school and he said, see, I always want to give you the best thing. Whatever I know, I want to give you that. Nimai Pandit school is always the best because I give you the best. But now see what happened after I took initiation for my spiritual master, who is Ishwarapuri. I realized that Krishna is the Param Brahma. Krishna is Param Satya. He is the absolute truth. So how? He is the Samam Bonam. He is the ultimate. And everything else is absolutely useless. Now, without Krishna, nothing that we know has any meaning. So how can I not teach you about Krishna? He's like, how can I be honest to myself and teach you all of these mundane things, all of these superficial things? So now, whatever I'm going to teach you, no matter what you say, if you are interested, then you can stay. But whatever I teach you, Krishna is going to be in the center. Okay? Because this is what I have realized. And then he said that if you think Krishna or this Harinam Sankirtan is something that you are not interested in, you don't want to do, then you're free to go. You can leave now. You have no obligation. You don't have to be my student. Okay? But I cannot cheat you. I am not going to trick you. I cannot do that. Okay? So I am going to teach you whatever I know, and he knows all about Krishna, right? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Krishna. So then after that, one of his best students, he got up and he told him, you know, my lord, you always teach us that till now you taught us that the goal of life is to win debates, to be the best scholar. That is what you taught us, to be the best logician, to be the best debater. And now you are teaching us something else. You're telling us that Krishna is the ultimate, he is the absolute truth, and we have to know about Krishna. Okay, we are ready for that. We are ready to learn whatever you teach, because whatever you're teaching, you will teach us the best way. So we want to do Harinam. If you're telling us now that Harinam Sankirtan is the only process, we are all ready to accept it. You please bring all the Vaishnavas and you all can teach us. And like that, they all started chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama.
Rama Rama Hare Hare.
So all the students were so happy, and all the others also supported the boy, and they all said, we all want to learn from you, Oli. We don't know the Sankirtan process though. So can you please bring some devotees and teach us? And like that, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought Srivas Thakur and all the other great the Vaishnavas at that time, and with all the instruments like Mridanga, they brought Kartal, and they started teaching everybody. So I have some questions for you now. True or false? Okay. First question. The students complained about Lord Chaitanya to his Sanskrit guru. True or false? Ganga Das. True. Good job. Lord Chaitanya refused to argue and debate with anyone. True or false?
Not true.
Not true. False. Yeah.
False.
Very good. Nice, Vrinda, Bala Vrinda. Okay, so let's see. Ramdas Pandit was an incarnation of Parvata Muni. Yes or no? True or false?
Yes.
Yes. Good
Yes.
job. Okay.
Yes.
Putana went to the hellish planets after she died. True or false? Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Oh, Tanvik, you're eating. So sweet. I'm so proud of you all. And Lord Chaitanya taught Harinam Sankirtan to his students.
True.
Very good, very good. You all got 100 out of 100. 100 out of 100. Very good. So now let's see. Anjana Gopika is also here on the call. So let's. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Mataji. Story.
Hare Krishna
Very
Mataji.
nice story.
Hare
Okay.
Krishna Mataji.
Do the sloka, and then today also you can read the translation also in the break room. Okay. You can all repeat after me.
Mataji, what about the rhyme?
Rhyme also you do. Drashtavacha. Dhritarashtravacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Yusavaha. Samaveta Yusavaha. Mamakaha Pandavah Saiva. Mamakaha Pandavah Saiva. Kim Akurvata Sanjaye. Kim Akurvata Sanjaye. Can you go Mataji to the rhyme? Yeah, 3D. They are. Who they are. Baladev Subhadra. How merciful and kind they are. They love to go on Rath Yatra. Thank you so much. We'll go to the break room and then you can practice. Yes, if you will get the chance, the break room, okay?
Mataji, I'll also go.
Yes.
Hand raise. 3D.
Okay, now I have
The whole. Mataji, can Balavinda say the meaning? Mataji, could I
also raise your hand, right?
Can I say the sloka and translate?
Yes, Balavinda raised hand, and after that, Kushi and Deepak and Kushi raised hand. Oh, she raised. Balavinda, you can go.
Dhritarashtra said, "Oh Sanjaya, after my sons and Pandava's sons assembled in
Place of
Kurukshetra, desire to fight. What did they do?
Good job. Now 3D, please. 3D.
3D. Sehudaya. Jagannath and Baladev Subhadra. Jagannath Baladev Subhadra.
How
Merciful and kind they are. How merciful and kind they are.
They- they love
to
to-
go on Rath Yatra. They love to go on Rath Yatra. Three deities. The three deities.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Balavrinda.
Mataji, shall we go, Mataji?
Deepak and Kausi, okay? Everybody, I will only call who raised the hand, okay?
Mataji, shall we go?
Kesavi, you have to raise the hand. I'll call one by one. Deepak and Kausi.
Okay. Dharma, Dhritarashtravacha. Because she said Dhritarashtravacha. No, when you're done, I want to.
Together you do, yes. Together you do. It will take us.
Dhritarashtravacha. Dhritarashtravacha. Dharma Kshetra Kurukshetra. Dharma Kshetra Kurukshetra. Samaveta Yuyuk Samaha. Samaveta Yuyuk Samaha. Bakka Pandavas Chaiva.
Mamaka.
Mamaka Pandavas Chaiva. Kim Akur Sanjaya. Kim Akur Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said. Dhritarashtra said. O Sanjaya. O Sanjaya. After my sons. After my sons. And the sons of Pandu. And the sons of Pandu. Assembled. Assembled. In the place of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage. In the place of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage. No, see. In the place of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage. Good job. And Kurukshetra. Pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight. What did they do at Kurukshetra? At Kurukshetra. At Kurukshetra. Desiring to fight. Desiring to fight. What they do? What they do? What did they do? What did they do? I thought what did they do? What? Okay. No. She want to say that you want to say the rhyme? Yeah. I want to say it. I'll tell it first then you. Three deities, say who they are, say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, how merciful and kind they are. They love to go on Radha Yatra. The three deities. Hare Krishna Mataji, can my sister tell the rhyme?
Yes.
Deities, the three deities. Say who they are. Say who they are. Say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. How merciful and kind they are. 3 days. No, how merciful and kind they are. They love to go on Radha Yatra. They love to go on Radha Yatra. 3 days. The three deities. The three deities. The three deities. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you so much, Madhav. Madhav, can you go next, Madhav?
तुम्हाला हात वरती करायचं
Mataji, Rasika se.
Can you raise the hand? Can you raise the hand? I'll call one by one. Madhav, can you go next?
Mataji. Tuvasha dharma kshete kurukshetre samaveta. Himakulvata sanjaya. Three deities. Say who they are. Say who they are. Subhadra. How merciful and kind they are. And the kind they are. They love to go on Ratha Yatra. They love to go to the Go on. Go on, Ratayatra. The 3 DTs. The 3 DTs.
Thank you so much, Madhav. Subhadra,
What was saying?
Subhadra and Giridhari, can you go next?
Yes, Mataji. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveda yudhuchava mamoka pandavasteva kima kurvata sanjaya. 3 DTs, say who they are, say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, how merciful and kind they are. They love to go on Ratiratya. The 3 DTs. Mataji, can Shivadra say?
Yes,
Dhritarashtra
Subhadra.
Dhritarashtra vacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyuchava mamaka pandavaschaiva kim avakurvata sanjaya. The 3 DTs, say who they are, say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, they love. How merciful and kind they are. They love to go on the Rath Yatra. The 3 DTs, the 3 DTs. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you, Meet. Can you go next, Meet? Meet, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, go.
Dhritarashtra uvacha
Dhritarashtra vacha
dharmashetre kurukshetre
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre
samaveta yuyutsava
Samaveta Yutsava
mamaka pandavaschaiva
Mamaka
pandavas
Pandavas
chaiva
Jaiva
kimakurvat
Kinakuva
sanjaya.
Sanjaya.
Okay, can you say the line? 3.
The 3 deities, the 3 deities, say who they are, say who they are.
Jagannath,
Jagannath,
Baldev,
Baladev,
Subhadra.
Subhadra. How
Merciful and kind they are.
kind they are.
They love
Love to go on
Rath Yatra.
the Rath Yatra.
The 3 deities.
The 3 deities, the 3 deities. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Meet. Thank you. Now, Kesavi, can you go next?
Yes, Mataji. Okay. Dharma, the
Dhritarashtra vacha.
I was about to say the rhyme. 3 DTs, say who they are, say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, and kind they are. They love to go on Ratha Yatra. The 3 DTs, the 3 DTs.
Thank you so much, Kesavi. Rasika and Kishori, go ahead.
I want to Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavah mamaka pandavaschaiva kimma kurvata sanjaya. Sanjaya uvacha.
Not Sanjay. Dhritarashtra said.
Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, when my sons and sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage, Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Thank you.
3 deities. 3 deities. Mana, Kishori Mana.
3 deities, Jagannath,
Say
who they are, say who they are. Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadramai, Jagannath Baladev Subhadramai.
How merciful
Full and
and
kind they are.
they love to go on.
The Rathyatha cart.
They love to
To
go
go on
on
the Rathyatha cart.
three.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Satvika and Kisuri. Balaram, go ahead, Balaram.
Okay. Dhritarashtra Dharmakshete Kurukshetre Samaveda Savaha Mamaka Pandavascha Kimakurvada Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said, "Oh Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Okay, now go on. The three deities, say who they are. Say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. How merciful and kind they are. They love to go on the three deities. Hare Krishna Mata.
Thank you. Janavi, your turn. Dhritarashtra.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha Trikurukshetra Samaveda Amakam Pandavascha Kimakurvatan
You read translation. Dhritarashtra said.
Dhritarashtra said, "O Chandra, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage in
At
At
Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Three deities. Say who they are. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. Merciful and kind they are. Love to go on Rathyatra. Three deities.
Thank you so much. I think anybody didn't get
Hare
sound?
Krishna Mataji, can Madhav go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, your turn is there now. See. Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetayuyutsavaha Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva Pandavaschaiva Kim Kurvat Sanjayah. Okay, now see the rhyme. Three deities. Say who they are. Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. Subhadra. How merciful and kind they are. They love to go on Rath Yatra. The three deities. That's it. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Can Vrinda go?
Yes, Brinda. Yes.
Rashtravacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetayutsavaha Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Three How merciful and kind they are. They like to go under the yatra, the three deities. The three deities. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Brinda. Is there anybody else? Didn't get chance?
Mataji,
Okay.
we are
Okay.
back from the breakout room, Mataji.
Oh, okay, okay, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. I think, yeah, we can put the Vanchakalpa. Thank you so much, all the kids. Now we can offer our obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees. Vanchakalpa taruvescha.
Hira Sindhu Baye Vacha.
Hare Krishna. Thank you all for joining.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna
Krishna.
Mataji. Bye. Hare Krishna Mataji.
And
Krishna Mataji. Bye.